ICCO, Initial Convertible Coin Offering. Now, Palladium is the first company that's going to be offering this particular so-called token, right, where you are able to actually convert your tokens for securities. Now, is this very different from the existing security tokens that we all know? So the question is, what does Palladium do? At the same time, also, what kind of benefits, or at least what will at least investors in the ICCO get?
So according to Palladium, they are going to become the first regulated unified platform for fiat banking and cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, it sounds complicated, but what they mean is they have a single platform where you can pay your bills with cryptocurrency, you can buy cryptocurrency using your checking account, or you can swap cryptocurrency assets without the use of an exchange or multiple wallets. So it will all be done within Palladium itself. So the difference between the ICO and the ICCO is that ICCO gives you legal rights to convert your Palladium coins into shares within the Palladium company after 3 years. So we do have security tokens, but these are not governmentally legal yet, so they are is verbal, it is within their contract, but if really the company gets liquidated, there's not much that the token holders can do about it. But Palladium itself is set in Malta, so as we all know in the previous episode, Malta is very blockchain friendly. It has set up legislation, it has set up guidelines, it is training people to be working in the blockchain space. So if the company really does go bankrupt, they are protected by the legal rights in Malta. So users will get the shares of Palladium. It will be treated as it would be a regular IPO company. Yeah, so this is what the ICCO is doing different from an ICO.
And apparently Palladium intends to raise 150 million euros for this particular ICO or ICCO. So the thing is, how much of these funds are going to be used for development? Apparently now the company is stating that it's 50% acquisition of controlling interest in a European bank. That's the initial, or at least what's the funds are going to be used for. 35% formation of a regulated crypto exchange and development of clearing and settlement blockchain platform, and the rest of the 15% will be for strategic investments in financial services and blockchain companies. So in the probably the next 3 years, the tokens can be converted into shares of Palladium. So it seems pretty straightforward. And right now, we probably want to have more of this, especially as an investor, because we are kind of familiar with stocks and shares, right? Or shares in particular. Not saying that a company cannot have business failure, but at the end of the day, at least there's something else, there's some equity that relates to the bank. So in this case, Investa Bank owns 85% of Palladium. And Investa, by the way, in terms of a stock, it's currently has a market cap of 274 million, and it's on the Nasdaq.
Okay, so Palladium might be an interesting coin to look at because it has a very strong team. So Palladium has the ex-CEO of Microsoft Ventures, it has the former attorney of the US SEC, and it has the director of Credit Suisse, so the Swiss bank. So all of these are strong players in the field. All of them are bringing different things to the table. You can expect it to be SEC compliant, you can expect it to be very technologically secure, and you can expect it to be good in the blockchain space. So bringing these people together, it does give it a lot of confidence for investors, especially when they are governmentally regulated, they are legal, and they have investor rights protected.
So probably you have to stay tuned to see and find out what ICCOs are all about and how Palladium fares in their current fundraising activities. If you want to stay updated with the latest blockchain and cryptocurrency news, do catch us every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 8 AM Eastern Standard Time or 8 PM Singapore Standard Time. Consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. We'll see you in the next episode.